If you want to learn English fast, this video is for you. This is a slow English podcast. You can listen and learn English. Today's topic, daily routines. Let's go. Part 1, waking up. I wake up early every morning. Sometimes I hit the snooze button, but I try not to. I open my eyes and stretch. A new day begins. Part 2, getting ready. I brush my teeth first. Then I take a shower. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. I feel fresh and clean. Part 3, getting dressed. I choose my clothes for the day. Sometimes it takes a while. I like to wear something comfortable. I look in the mirror and smile. Okay, ready to go. Part 4, having breakfast. I make some coffee or tea. Sometimes I eat eggs and bread. I love breakfast time. It gives me energy for the day. Do you eat breakfast every day? Part 5, going to work. I leave home around 8. The street is always busy. I listen to music on my way. It makes me feel good. Then I start my work. Part 6, working time. I work from 9 to 5. Sometimes I take short breaks. I drink water and stretch a bit. I check my phone between tasks. Work keeps me active. Now it's your turn to listen and repeat. Sometimes I hit the snooze button. Then I take a shower. I choose my clothes for the day. I look in the mirror and smile. Sometimes I eat eggs and bread. Do you eat breakfast every day? It makes me feel good. I work from 9 to 5. I drink water and stretch a bit. Work keeps me active. Perfect. Part 7, having lunch. At noon, I have lunch. Sometimes I eat with friends. We talk and laugh a lot. Lunch breaks are the best. Then I get back to work. Part 8. Finishing work. At 5, I finish my job. I feel a bit tired, but I'm happy the day is done. I pack my stuff and leave. Time to go home. Part 9. Coming back home. I take off my shoes. I rest on the couch for a while. Sometimes I watch TV or scroll on my phone. I just relax for a bit. Part 10. Evening time. I help with dinner. We eat and talk together. After dinner, I do the dishes. Then I listen to some music. It's a calm part of the day. Part 11. Getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I set my alarm for tomorrow. Then I check my messages. I feel sleepy again. Part 11. Getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I set my alarm for tomorrow. Then I check my messages. I feel sleepy already. Part 12. Going to sleep. I lie down and close my eyes. Sometimes I think about my day. Sometimes I just fall asleep fast. I'm ready for a new day tomorrow. Good night. Again, it's your turn to listen and repeat. We talk and laugh a lot. At 5, I finish my job. Time to go home. Sometimes I watch TV. I help with dinner. Then I listen to some music. I wash my face. I lie down and close my eyes. I'm ready for a new day tomorrow. That was perfect. Well, that was all for today. Make sure to watch other videos as well. You can listen and learn English. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.